Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so let's get to the dried results of the last painting. It dried perfectly, didn't move, didn't budge. It is perfection. So really happy with how that turned out. And this is, I'm gonna turn it around this way. Look at that, it's so pretty. 16 by 20 inch canvas available for purchase if anyone is interested in that one. All right, so let's see, what day is it today? You guys, there's 5 days till Christmas. 5 more days till Christmas, I cannot believe it. I feel like there's so much going on. Too much, not enough time. Anywho. Today I'm working on a 16-inch round canvas. So this should be fun. And let me tell you the colors that I'm using. So I have Oxide Black by Amsterdam. And then we are using Pearl Olive Green by Arteza. Then we have Bluish Gray Light by Amsterdam. Then we've got 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. This is a made-up color. It's got like olive green deep, some titanium buff light, and maybe just a pea-sized drop of black. I used this color a long time ago, and I love that color. I just call it a green made-up color, and all the paints are Amsterdam that made up that color. Then we have Antique Copper by Folk Art. Then we have Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam, and another made-up color, which I like to call my Anthony color. This one is, if you want to know how I made this color, I know it's video 598. So you'll be able to go to 598 and see how I made that color up, because I don't remember. But it was for Anthony's painting that I had done. And of course, we have the blue mini hair dryer. This one's currently in stock on Amazon. The flower hair dryer has not been in stock in months and months and months. So if you are looking for a hair dryer, this one you can find in my Amazon shop. And last I checked, it was still in stock and it was like $34.99. So in the US, you can't get it in Canada. You can buy it from Canada and have it shipped over from the US, because that's how I got my hands on mine. But yeah, you could do that, but I don't know, you might get hit. No, maybe not with Amazon. I don't know. Tariffs, I don't know. Anywho, I'm going to flood my canvas and I shall be right back. All right, I'm back and I'm sitting here pondering what kind of composition am I gonna do. I never even really thought about it, and I don't even know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm just gonna put a line down and see where it takes me. I mean, it is what it is. I never even thought about that before I even started this video about what my composition was gonna be. Alrighty. Let's see, yesterday, Anthony and I hosted a Christmas dinner here, and, we made, a huge 20-pound brisket. Never done it before. We did it in the oven. And we've never done it before. We did a lot of YouTube video research, a lot, and I mean a lot. And so we bought this huge brisket from Costco, 20 pounds, and it's slow cooked in the oven for 15 hours. 15 hours, that's right, 15 long hours. But when I tell you that brisket was so tender, juicy and flavorful, I mean, we nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. It was so good. Our guests loved it. We had about 14 people at our dinner party, and it was so much fun and so amazing. And if you're on my Patreon, if you have signed up to be on my Patreon account, you got to see some of that, the brisket and all that stuff. Because if you're on my Patreon, you get to see things that other people do not get to see. So it was so much fun. We had a blast, and we're so excited that we nailed that brisket. All right, I'm gonna blow this out. No clue what I'm doing, but let's see what happens. So let's go. Wow. Okay, love the color palette. I wish there was some more antique copper by Folk Art, because I went light-handed because we all know what happens when you go too heavy with the DecoArt, and I feel like Folk Art is kind of like the same as DecoArt, and I did not want it to take over, although it's starting to kind of pop up a little bit. Oh, I love this color palette. This is great. Oh la la. You know what? It reminds me of Earth looking from above. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Oh, this is really pretty. I love it. I was just going on a whim here, trying to do a video for you guys super quick, so I can have something to post on YouTube for you guys. And I literally just threw these colors together, and I flipping love it. Oh, the copper's really starting to come up. Look, I bet you if you rewind the video on YouTube, if you go back to when I literally just finished the blowout and turned off my hairdryer, and then go right to the end where I'm going to show you guys the close-up, I guarantee you it's going to look so different. This is stunning. All right, I'm going to just touch up my edges. What I say about that is, you see there's some white here. I don't know if you can see that, but I just basically take my little squeeze bottle and I just do a bead of whatever my base color is along the side, and I dab my fingers. That's what I do when I say I'm gonna fix my edges, because your edges have to be fully covered. If they're not, it's going to dry and it's gonna look really bad, okay? So let me fix my edges. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. I already took my stick and I already scraped the drips. Okay, I take back of where I said, oh, I wish I had put some more antique copper. Nope, didn't need it, because clearly it came out shining and loud and clear. So yes, I'm glad I did not overdo it on the antique copper. So keep that in mind. Antique copper, folk art, just like DecoArt metallics, do not overdo it, because look at that. The antique copper definitely came out within like the last 5 minutes. Look at that. I love it. It's so pretty. This thing is going to shimmer like crazy. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so lights are off, flash is on, and look at that ridiculous shimmer. Oh my goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. No, but really, look at that. That's insane. So much shimmer. This painting is going to look fabulous when it dries. Oh, I cannot wait till it dries and I resin it. Wow, look at that. She's lovely. And there you have it, my friends. So let me know what you think about this in the comments below. I am in love. I am so gonna do this color palette again, maybe on a bigger canvas. What do you guys think? Let me know. Like I said, 16-inch round. If anyone is interested, you know what to do. Email me, kanellaciraco@gmail.com. That is it for me. One more video before Christmas, and then it's Christmas holidays. So I'll see you one more time before Christmas. Until then, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.